You've just finished building a house, and soon you'll be handing over to the new owners. So why does it feel like the hard part's still to come? Because someone still has to collect and collate all the brochures, warranties, and maintenance schedules for every major product used in the build. And that takes a long time, or at least it used to. Gtee is a cloud-based system that does all the heavy lifting for you. All you need to do is spend 10 minutes selecting all the products you've used in your build, and the Gtee system provides your client with everything they need to guarantee the fitness of their home, all in one handy spot, for at least 10 years. New owners can jump online to find manuals and user guides for all of the products in their home, as well as warranties, product registrations, and maintenance schedules. They'll also be emailed automatically about all upcoming maintenance work that needs to be done, so they can keep their warranties valid and their home in good nick. This means no disputes about whether they've been given all the info about keeping their house up to scratch, because it's all on the record. Plus, owners can upload their own information, such as maintenance receipts, notes, and photos, which means they'll have a complete service history for their home if they decide to move on. No rush though, eh? Your clients are going to love having this information right at their fingertips, and you're going to love getting fewer phone calls about it. Just 10 minutes of work on your end turns into 10 years of support from Gtee, all for just a small one-off payment per build. The Gtee system's an easy and affordable way to reduce your workload, meet all your legal requirements, and keep your clients happy and up to date. Get in touch with Gtee to suss out a no-obligation free trial and see for yourself. Guarantee the fitness of your home with Gtee.